Hello, and welcome to my CS50x final project presentation. I am Yelissa Tomic, presenting from Istanbul, Turkey. Today is July 27th, 2024. You can find this project on GitHub under my username, Belifon. BP Journal is a web application designed to help users monitor their blood pressure readings over time. Developed as my final project for Harvard's CS50x course, this platform enables users to log in, record their blood pressure readings, view their history, and access educational resources on maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. The application supports multiple languages and handles time zone conversions for accurate logging of readings. Let's start by registering a new account. On the registration page, users can enter their username, password, and confirm their password. Once registered, they can log in using their credentials. For this demonstration, I'll be logging in with an existing account. After logging in, users can record a new blood pressure reading on the Record Reading page. They need to enter their systolic and diastolic blood pressure values, along with their pulse rate and any notes they might have. Once the details are entered, clicking Record Reading saves the data to their account. The dashboard provides an overview of the user's recent readings, along with their classifications. Users can also view and manage their past blood pressure recordings through the History page. They can edit or delete any existing record using the buttons next to each entry. Now let's explore the Resources page of the application. This page offers comprehensive information on managing and understanding blood pressure. It explains what blood pressure is, classifications of BP levels, and covers lifestyle changes for maintaining healthy blood pressure. It also includes common questions about blood pressure, including tips for accurate measurement. On the Profile page, users can add a name for their homepage, change their time zones, and update their passwords. Note how the selected time zone affects the timestamps for the user's recordings. Thank you for watching my presentation. To learn more about the BP Journal project, visit the GitHub Repository linked in the description. Have a great day!